this is very significant for patients. We also able to detect no side effect at all. And the most important thing about this technology is that we can make a huge amount of it. It's very inexpensive, and the shelf life of the material that we make can last in the refrigerator up to 6 or 8 years so far. So in a disastrous situation, this will be a fantastic technology that can be used to overcome any other kind of diseases. And also, this technology is not necessary to be applicable in the eye. It can be applicable on any gene defects or any other kind of diseases that is genetically due to genetic abnormalities, that one can either overcome the defect by giving the normal gene, or you can deliver a gene that overcome the phenotype, or you can deliver in what is so-called RNA interference, that you could eliminate the production of the defected gene. There are so many ways that we could use this technology for.
It can also affect central vision, and there can be loss of all vision with this disease. And because it's a genetic disease, the answer, the treatment for this disease will be gene therapy. It will be replacing the defective gene with a new gene, a normal gene that then can overwhelm the system with that gene product and reverse the disease. So this is an incredible breakthrough in terms of being able to treat with gene therapy and not use a virus vector. That's the importance of this research. It's incredible.
We kind of had an idea I had it because my mother had it. And when I went to the eye doctor, he had said I had it, but it wasn't as progressed as hers. And my first notice of it was when I was coming home from a football game and we were walking, and I hit a chug hole in the grass. And I didn't see it, but everybody else did. And that was my first indicator that my eyesight wasn't quite like everybody else's. And when I go to a movie theater, I can see the lights, but I can't see the stairs. So I have to have help going in. And I can't see where people are sitting, so I have to have someone help me. My mother no longer goes to movies because she just can't navigate it that well. She no longer drives at night. I still do because of the research of like xenon headlights and stuff like that. I'm not as progressed as her. And I guess I'm very fortunate because a lot of people do lose their eyesight at a very early age. I do have spots that I don't see. My mother's is like this. She's literally like horses with blinders on, where mine's hit and miss. So if you stand in one spot, I know that she's there, but I can't see her. But I can see Dr. Leonard. So it's very hit and miss, but if I were to back up, I can see her now, and I can still see him. So it's just very, very individual. And usually going to places at night, I just have my friends help me navigate kind of around and stuff. And to know that something like this is happening, it's a great thing.